Isaiah Francis, and this is Project 2, running multiple LEDs using Bluetooth Low Energy. Schematics are used by engineers to represent circuits accurately. This schematic shows resistors as well as light-emitting diodes, also known as LEDs. In this circuit, we use the BLE app as an input, sending power through the resistors, lighting up the LEDs. This breadboard diagram is an easier to read but less accurate representation of the circuit. This diagram shows how power is sent from 6 different pins through wires then resistors, where they finally meet the LEDs, causing them to light up. To begin the program, we set all 6 pins as constants so we can then use them as outputs. From there, we initialize the BLE app so it can be used as an input. We then set the location name of the board so it can be found on the app. We also create a printout so that the program will notify that LED is a peripheral. We then begin the void loop, which consists of if, else, and while statements. In the main if-else loop, we set each LED to a different variable, so if it is selected on the app, the LED will light up. If a number that is not set as a variable is selected like 0, the LEDs will turn off in the order they were selected. This statement is then repeated so that other LEDs can be set as variables as well. After all LEDs are set with different numbers, the while loop ends. To end the program, a final printout will state that the BLE has been disconnected and you are no longer in the while loop. In the BLE app, you are able to set 5 values that will control different LEDs when pressed. The LEDs can then be turned off by selecting 0. This was driving multiple LEDs using Bluetooth Low Energy, Project 2 for Coachell's Electrical Engineering, by Isaiah Francis. Thanks for watching and see you next time.